In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on Ads Blocker on Brave browser. By the end, you'll have Brave's built-in ad blocker enabled globally and know how to turn it on for any specific website you visit. First, open Brave browser. You should see the main window with the address bar at the top. Next, click the menu button, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and choose Settings. This opens Brave's settings in a new tab. From here, go to Privacy and Security on the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little and then click it to open the privacy options. Now, click Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection that blocks trackers and ads. This is where we'll turn on the ad blocker. Turn on trackers and ads blocking. Look for the trackers and ads blocking control and switch it on, so Brave actively blocks known advertising and tracking scripts. If the switch already shows it's on, you're set. Select Standard or Aggressive. Use the drop-down or selector next to Trackers and Ads Blocking and choose the level you prefer. Standard blocks most ads and trackers while keeping maximum site compatibility. Aggressive blocks more elements, which can improve privacy but may cause some pages to look broken or miss features. If a site doesn't load correctly later, you can come back and change this setting without losing anything. Turn on for a website. Now let's enable the ad blocker at the site level so you know how to control it per site. Open a website and in the address bar, type or paste a site you want to visit and press Enter. Wait for the page to load. Click Shields, the lion icon to the right of the address bar. A small panel opens showing protections for this specific site. Toggle On. In this panel, make sure the Shields toggle is switched on. When it's on, Brave applies trackers and ads blocking to this website based on the level you set earlier. If you need to, you can quickly switch this toggle off and back on without changing your global settings, but leave it on to block ads and trackers here. At this point, Brave's ad blocker is enabled in Settings and actively applied to individual sites through the Shields panel. You should now have trackers and ads blocking turned on across the browser, with the flexibility to control it per website. Your Brave browser ad blocker is now fully set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.